Well, we're starting with our shopping haul or shopping trip over to Dollar Tree today. Well, this is a really big haul for me, so let's start it and see what we found. They only had one of these placemats, but I thought it would look great for my Christmas table to use underneath my centerpiece since this is all I could find. I'm not complaining, at least I found one. Then I found these beautiful flowers, thought they looked great, and also this. May even just put it in this centerpiece right here to give it a little more color. Also, I got these two beautiful white cups, white with gold trim along the edge. Now you know when they have gold paint you cannot put them in the microwave, but I thought they would look great for display purposes, don't you think? Well, I really wish I could have found another placemat than just this one. I would really love to at least get 3 or 4 more if possible. If I can, I may end up seeing if I can get a couple more of these plates. I only bought a pair of them, but they really look pretty with this placemat. I also have solid green that I'll probably use with it. The more I'm looking at them, the more I'm thinking I may go back and get 2 more of these plates. They're very pretty. What do you think? And there's the other one. So I bought a pair. I got one of these placemats, and I'm happy with the placemat, so I don't want to say I'm not. It's all I could find was one, but I'm really happy that I got the one I have. And the white cups with the gold trim look very nice too. And as you can see, I added some more of those flowers I just picked up at Dollar Tree, bringing this to a total of $3 to update this centerpiece. Well, here we are. We have 8 hand towels to dry the dishes with, or dish towels. And I got Gnomes for the Holidays is the title of this one. And there's 3 cute little gnomes with their little plaid hats. Are they not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And then this one here, dashing through the snow. Oh my gosh, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Let me see if I can get that to go up. You can see a little better. That's my red truck theme, and I do have some red truck accessories I'm going to have to look for, and we'll do something with that. And here's this one, and it says, Season to be joyful. This season is to be joyful. We need to put a little joy in our holiday spirit this year, with all the sad talk of this stupid virus all about us. Oh well, very pretty, don't you think? And then, oh so good. Doesn't that look awesome? I need to do some kind of display with the candy canes and these towels. That sounds so yummy, doesn't it? And I already have a lot of awesome things to do. Now what I could do is put some hot chocolate in those beautiful white cups and get some whipped topping on top, and I have some candy canes and make some hot chocolate and candy canes. Does that not sound awesome? Does to me at least. We'll have to think about that display and put it together soon. But look at the hot chocolate. Doesn't that look yummy? Can't wait. It's making me hungry for hot chocolate. And donuts. We had donuts earlier today. Well, here we are. Another little table all set up for this Christmas season, all from Dollar Tree. This is still all one shopping haul. Grandma went crazy. And I'm glad I did, because it sounds like the virus is getting really bad again here in California. So this may be my last time to go shopping for the season. And most of everything I have already purchased. Okay, here we go. Some beautiful holiday gnome cups. Are they not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I have a pair of them. One for Grandpa and one for Grandma. Over here, I have the red truck theme. One for Grandma and one for Grandpa. Then I got these two beautiful boxes. I thought I would wrap a small Christmas present in each one for my two youngest grandchildren. One for my grandson and one for my granddaughter. I think I'm going to give this one to my granddaughter, and I'm going to put the plaid one for my grandson. Looks sort of more masculine, and aren't they so beautifully decorated? I just love the way this is how they came. I thought they were beautiful. And then we had the Nutcracker. I would have liked to have got a couple more, but this is all they had was one. So I bought it. I may or may not get another one because, like I said, this may be my last shopping trip anywhere, since it's getting really dangerous again out here in Southern California. We have all this wonderful candy I picked up for my candy station that I'm going to put together pretty quick now. Maybe in the next couple days. Maybe it might be up next week. So I'm trying to decorate my home for Christmas right now and get myself in the holiday spirit. And of course, look at all the great variety of candy I picked up. And I really don't think I need more than this, because occasionally somebody comes over and I will have something. And then of course I have some great grandkids. Their mother had a bad accident and is going to be laid up for 6 months. So I think when I go over, I'll make sure I take them a little treat. I've been trying to cook something for my granddaughter and her family to eat at night, since she can't get around. She injured herself really bad. It's going to be 6 months that she's not going to be able to do too much of anything. Maybe once they can put a cast on, she can walk a little bit. Right now, she's not supposed to be on the foot and ankle at all. So anyway, bad things happen to even good people. So I hope you enjoyed this. Now, we still have 3 more things I haven't shared, if you can believe it. Super cute basket I thought I could put the candy in. And it looks like Santa's belt buckle around the center of this basket. Isn't that the cutest thing? All from Dollar Tree. And of course, that basket only costs $1. I don't think you could find any place cheaper to decorate than Dollar Tree. Not even the Goodwill or Salvation Army. This is a lot of really cute things. Now, I'm going to clean off this table and I'm going to show you the last 2 things that I got. Remember I showed you these beautiful Christmas plates I got at Dollar Tree? Well, look what else I got at Dollar Tree. I got the salad plate also. Does that not look gorgeous? Look at how beautiful it looks. Now, I only got 2 dinner plates and 2 salad plates because they're just me and Grandpa. But if I find another 2 of each, I may go ahead and get it. I would like to get another 2 or 3 of these placemats also. So we don't know what we will be able to find. But like I said, I have green, just solid green, and I may just use the solid green and just put this underneath my centerpiece. It will be fine. But these were my favorite Christmas plates that I found this season. Are they not the most beautiful things you've ever seen? And that cost me $2, $1 a piece, one for the salad plate and one for the dinner. That's $2. And I had another pair, so I bought it to $4, and I bought 1 placemat, so that brought it to $5. And I already have those beautiful cups I already got, or I can use the 2 white ones I got today, and that will bring it to $7, right? So we'll see what I can do. Great thing is, I could even throw in these beautiful cups here too if I wanted to, the green and red. They would look very pretty with these plates, don't you think? Well, I just thought I would let you see all the awesome things that I happen to run across at my favorite store, Dollar Tree, and things are still only $1 there. I don't know how they are able to afford to do it, but they can. And they always have such cute variety of items. I don't think you could find any of this stuff cheaper anyplace else. And the Nutcracker is as cute as can be in the center. Love these little boxes, for I can wrap up my Christmas presents in them for my 2 youngest grandchildren. I hope you enjoyed this video that I put together today. Hugs and kisses to all of you that made it to the very end. I always enjoy seeing all my awesome friends stopping by. Please, if you're not already following me, please consider it and click that like button also. That means a lot to me to see what you guys enjoy. And of course, if you want me to come and check out your channel, you better leave me a comment, for I know you've been here and I know how to find you. Hugs and kisses, my awesome friends. Until the next video, you know you mean the world to me, my awesome friends. Please take care. Take care.